Okay, picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, roll over, grab your phone, and bam, your screen is just completely lit up with new commission notifications. And the crazy part? You're doing all this without owning a single product, without renting some massive warehouse, and without ever, and I mean ever, dealing with angry customer support emails? Sounds like an absolute dream, right? Well, welcome to our explainer on the affiliate marketing blueprint. Let's get right into it.
Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. This sounds completely fake. And hey, let's be totally honest with each other for a second. If you're sitting there thinking this has to be a scam, I completely get it. You are absolutely right to be skeptical. The online marketing world is just packed with stuff that sounds way, way too good to be true. But let's actually validate that skepticism right now.
You see, the reason most beginners fail isn't because the business model itself is broken. No, it's because they fall for these ridiculous magic wand get-rich-quick hacks. They follow totally outdated advice and completely skip the actual fundamentals. But today, we're leaving all that fluff behind. I'm going to walk you through the highly practical, step-by-step reality of how to build this successfully for 2026.
So let's dive straight into part one, the commission reality check, where we are redefining the business model.
First things first, we really need to strip away this scammy reputation this industry sometimes gets. Stripped down to its absolute core, affiliate marketing is just you recommending someone else's product or service. That's it. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's an incredibly simple transaction, but honestly, it provides massive value. Think about it. You're helping a company that's desperate for new customers, and at the same time, you're helping a customer who's looking for a real solution. It's a total win-win.
Basically, your true role in all of this is being the bridge. Imagine a giant river. On one side, you've got a company with a fantastic product. On the exact opposite side, there's a person who genuinely needs that product, but, they just don't know it exists yet. Make that connection, literally bridge that gap, and you earn money. It is really that straightforward.
But hold on. Here is your firm reality check. This is absolutely not passive income on day one. You can't just spam links all over the internet and expect a massive payday. There's a very strict, step-by-step progression we have to follow here. First, you have to establish deep trust. With that trust, you then build an audience. And only then do the commissions actually start flowing. So yeah, the work is totally front-loaded, but the structure is crystal clear.
Okay, moving right along to step one, your perfect niche, and building a solid foundation.
Now, you absolutely cannot build the roof of a house before laying down the foundation, right? And this is exactly where things usually go off the rails for beginners. Taking a scattergun approach, like, say, recommending a fitness supplement on Monday, a software tool on Wednesday, and then, a squeaky dog toy on Friday, that is a guaranteed path to failure. It totally confuses your audience and just destroys any credibility you're trying to build.
Instead of all that chaos, you need extreme focus. You want to aim for proven categories. We're talking things like personal finance, AI tools, software, online business, fitness, education, and technology. And here's the kicker. You must pick just one. Why? Well, narrowing your focus sends really clear signals to algorithms, like YouTube's, about exactly what your content is about. It positions you as an actual authority, and more importantly, it makes high-quality brands actually want to partner with you.
So, how do you actually lock in that perfect niche? Well, you run it through our ultimate 3-question filter. Question number 1, can I create content about this for 1 full year? This is a pure stamina test, folks. If you chase a niche purely for the dollar signs but you're bored out of your mind after 2 weeks, your business is literally dead on arrival.
All right, filter question number 2. Do people actually spend money in this space? Look, having passion is great, but we are running a business here. We're looking for commercial viability and really high buyer intent. If your niche is something people only ever Google for, like free DIY tutorials, trying to scale a real business is going to be a massive uphill battle. You need an established track record of people eagerly opening their wallets.
And finally, question 3. Are there actual affiliate programs available? You need to verify that companies in the specific space are actually willing to pay you for being their bridge. Honestly, a simple 10-second web search, just type your topic plus the words affiliate program, will give you the answer. You would be shocked at how many massive, household name brands have hidden partner programs just sitting right down there in their website footers.
Which brings us to this absolutely crucial point. Choosing the right niche is way more important than choosing the right affiliate program. If you just answered yes to all 3 of those filter questions we went through, boom, your foundation is set. The specific products you end up promoting,
Those are inevitably going to evolve over time, but your niche, that is your permanent home base. Lock that in, and I promise you, the rest of this journey gets infinitely easier.
So, that leaves us with one final thought to wrap up this explainer. I'm going to ask you directly, can you create content about your chosen niche for 1 full year? Seriously, think about it. Stop obsessing over the commissions for a minute and focus on the actual process. What topic fascinates you enough that you'd want to be that bridge day in and day out? Find your answer to that, lay down your foundation, and start building.